Since last 12 years I've been suffering with backache, and been to different doctors like Ayurveda doctors and homeopathy doctor and ortho surgeons, but nobody was able to diagnose my problem, and whatever medicines they had prescribed I was taking and following their instructions, but I had no relief. Instead it was going back to worse, and I was finding it very difficult even to get up from bed at times, and I stopped going out on my own. I used to depend on somebody to go out, and my legs used to
Get
benumb always. Just 2 minutes were enough for me to get up and walk, and they'll go numb. And after so many years, one of my husband's friend, he had been to this hospital for his wife's treatment. She also had the same problem, and then they advised us to take advice from Dr. TVR Murthy, and then we came here, and at once he started the treatment, and his diagnosis was correct. He could actually pinpoint my problem. At once he told us to take MRI and begin the treatment. He said it's already delayed. If you delay like this, some more you will become bedridden. So, and he persuaded me actually to go in for operation, and gave me lots of hopes. And it was he actually who made me come here, the doctor, because I was really impressed by his diagnosis and his approach toward the patient. I was really impressed. So that's why I took this decision and came here. And I'm really happy that I came here and took the treatment in this hospital. And whoever asks me, I will give a very good opinion about the doctors here and the staff and about everything about this hospital. So that many more patients can come here and get the treatment done.
My wife had been suffering from severe back pain for almost 10 to 12 years now, and as she herself said it, we have gone through a number of doctors and a number of treatments also, taking lot of medication, x-rays, these, that, etc. But then there was not much relief. At one stage we were thinking that probably, to use the Hindu mythology word, Shani has caught us, and there was probably no relief at all. Finally, a family friend of ours suggested the name of Dr. TVR Murthy and this hospital. We immediately contacted the concerned doctor, and he gave us very sound advice. He did a very good diagnosis first thing, very clearly analyzed the MRI scan and gave us the clear picture about the type of ailment that my wife has got. And he also gave us a very clear assurance that if she undergoes surgery, she will definitely get back to almost near normal, or prior to getting this back pain, whatever was her condition, she would get back to that position. So we took the bold decision and we came back here and joined this hospital. Before the joining of this hospital, my wife had gone through a very traumatic situation as far as pain is concerned. I and my wife are the only two people in the house. Our two children are outside the country, and we had a very difficult time. So at that time, somebody suggested, or one of our family friends suggested the name of this surgeon and the hospital, and we immediately took the bold decision. We came here, and I find almost some kind of immediately after surgery. Of course, surgery means it is a major surgery and lot of pain and other things will be there, but immediately after the surgery, when the after effect of surgery receded, I could see a radical change in the health of my wife. The person who could not walk just 5 yards on her own made 5 rounds of this premises of this hospital on this floor. That itself is the first sign of goodness, and I feel that this is probably second innings for us, most crucial and very nice, because we both have crossed 50, so we thought that when entering second innings we should have at least better health, and I think God has given us that to us through this hospital and this surgeon. I can only say in simple words, we have 1001 thanks for the surgeon and this hospital and the staff.
Continental Hospitals is here for health, life, and you.